Michael, tell everybody, welcome from London. I know it's a beautiful evening in London, and I know that you're all in lockdown now. Tell me what Positive Prime has meant for you as a client, and tell me why you were then motivated to actually engage as a professional leader as one of our founding members. Michael, take it away.
Okay, hi everyone. What does Positive Prime do for me? Wow. I'd like to say something that Leon said, and this is really, really true. The first thing I do when I get up in the morning, I don't even get out of my bed. I pick up my phone and I do not go to Facebook. I do not look at WhatsApp. The first thing I do is access a Prime. I do not get out of bed without running a Prime session. And I try to run about 2, maybe 3 or 4 if I can. And the effects are actually phenomenal. I know if I go through my day and the day doesn't go right, I can pinpoint it to the fact that I got out of bed, I was running late, and I didn't run a Prime session. And so what I do, for me, it's the first thing I do. For me, it's like air. I think when you first get up in the morning, you're in that limbo state where you wake up and you think, oh, that was a great sleep. I feel amazing. And then all your problems start to zap into your mind, you know? I like to pause that point and I go to a Prime before I do anything, absolutely anything. And it's been absolutely amazing. I use it with my coaching, with my clients. I use it when I'm going into a challenging meeting. Sometimes even when I'd like to connect with a client, I'll have a Prime running in the background about having a better connection so that I can connect even better with my coaching clients. There's personal things that I won't go too much into, but I've gone into a particular meeting or prior to a meeting and I've discussed this with Kim, and I've pulled over at the roadside and ran a session for like 15 minutes before I've had that meeting, and that meeting always goes great. So Prime to me is air. If I don't use it, my life doesn't run right. That's me.